guys! This week's book got me thinking about forever friends. In fact, our Jenkins Creek teachers have some amazing forever friends and pets that they have in their lives. Check all these cool creatures out. Jenkins Creek Forever Friends, I reached out to the Seattle Humane and they invited us today to get to meet somebody's future forever friend. Come on, let's go meet her.
As I headed into the Humane Society, I got to explore all the different facilities. The vets and the volunteers there invited me to come meet so many of the cool animals. After I was introduced to several of the dogs, I had the opportunity to head outside and play with one of the animals by the name of Tessa. Tessa was a 2-year-old German Shepherd looking for a home. She was really energetic. She loved to run around and bark at the other animals, but she had a really sweet demeanor. She hung out with me and Mr. Benner and some of the great volunteers at the Seattle Humane. Isn't she adorable? She knows just when to strike a pose. Well, Poor Louie by Tony Fucelli. Oh, hello. You're probably wondering what I'm doing here in the dark, by myself, with all this stuff. If you guessed that I tried to run away tonight, you're right, I did. Why? Well, that's a long story. I can tell you, if you'd like. My name's Louie, by the way. Or it was. Now they just call me Poor Louie by Tony Fucelli. My life was great. Every morning started with a walk, rain or shine. On Sundays, we would do fun things like go for a stroll in the park, eat ice cream, or go shopping. Pretty much every day of the week ended the same way. Dinner, a movie, a good night kiss, and then off we went to sleep. Once in a while, Mom and I would have a play date with her friends. It was great. Everyone paid attention to me. But then, one day, they started to appear. first there was just one, then two, then four. They pulled on my ears and squeezed my tummy. Mom! Poor Louie. Yeah, I know they smell good, and they do walk on all fours. I'll give them that. But geez, all I could say was thank goodness we'd never have one of those in our house. Yep, life was pretty perfect. Just the three of us. Then let me tell you, things got weird. First, it was dinner, cold on the floor. Poor Louie. I still had my walks, I guess. Sort of. Pablo, Packard, Patrick, Paul, Peabody, Percival, Peter, Peyton, Packard. Bedtime wasn't fun at all anymore. Over time, Mom's belly grew and grew and grew until one night, bump, it kicked me. From that night on, I slept on the floor, just me and my food dish. Things couldn't possibly get worse, right? Wrong! One day, Mom and Dad came home with a lot of new stuff. It seemed okay at first. There were 2 beds, fun, 2 hiking pouches, good, 'cause you can't have enough of those. 2 sweaters, cute. 2 hats, okay, but wait a minute, I thought. What's that thing? 2 seats? And that's when it hit me. Poor Louie. Aww. One of those creatures I could handle, but 2? No way! When Mom and Dad just rushed off and left me all alone, not even a kiss goodbye. Well, that was the last straw. I got all of my things together and ran away forever. The coast was clear. And I was on my way. When? Louie, now how did you get out? I must have left the door open. Your Mom and Dad will be home soon. Back you go. And that's it. The end. My life is over. You can close the book now. Thanks for listening. Wait, what? Lou? Louie? Louie, meet your baby brother. My baby brother? My baby brother? Poor Louie. The end. To find a forever friend, check into volunteering, or learn more about the Seattle Humane, call this number or click the link to their website in the description below.